that you died for my sins, Jesus, and I ask you to come in my life and forgive me of my sin. God is a God that forgives us, but he not only do he want to forgive us, but he wants you to move into your healing. He wants you to move into your deliverance. He wants you to move into a place, amen, where you can see his power manifested in your life. I'm about to run in this place. Can I tell you what this thing is all about? God want to manifest his power. God want to manifest his power. I used to be on drugs, but look what the Lord has done. I used to be poor. I used to be trying to put 2 nickels and trying to buy some cookies, but look at what God is doing. Look what I'm driving now. Look what I'm staying in now. I used to be, but look what the Lord has done. When God brought the children of Israel out of Egypt, the word of the Lord said he brought them out with an outstretched hand. He brought them out with signs and wonders and miracles. God, why did you use signs and wonders and miracles? Because the situations were impossible. And God said, that's how I get the attention of the world. When I start working on some stuff in your life and folks start looking at you, they start saying, to God be the glory. They start looking at the power of God. How did you get there? Honey, it was the Lord, baby. Well, how did this happen? How did God deliver you from the door? Honey, God did it. God did it. See, the thing about it, it doesn't take a miracle for some of this stuff y'all going through. But where you at right now, it take a miracle. It take a miracle. It take God to do a sign. And he needs to do a wonder in your life. Because when he does that thing, he's going to so turn around that the world going to be able to look at it and they're going to have to give God the glory. They're going to have to magnify God. Because they remember when you was on that crack. They remember when you was messed up. They remember when you always didn't have enough money to pay your bills. But when God gets through with your situation, when God begins to bless you abundantly, when God begins to move on your behalf, you're going to see walls start coming down. Walls that have hindered you.